Good morning, dear student. In today's lecture, we are very much interested in the chapter that is composite from section second. So, in this chapter, that is composite chapter, we discuss different points. That is the definition of the composite material. Second, the glass transition temperature. Then the reinforced plastic composite material such as glass fiber, carbon fiber, and aromatic fibers. Then the next point is the concrete and asphalt material. So we are very much familiar with this concrete and asphalt material. So these are the composite material. So we will discuss these point, that is concrete and asphalt material, and finally we discuss the application of this composite material. So before discussing a lot of things regarding to this composite material, let us first discuss the definition. What is this composite material? So let us discuss the definition. So a simple definition, that is a composites, a man-made multiphase material, man-made multiphase material. So what is this composite? It is man-made multi-phase material. So it is man-made multi-phase material in which one phase is continuous and another phase is discontinuous. Okay, so this is the simple definition of this composite material: a man-made multi-phase material in which one phase is your continuous and another phase is your discontinuous phase. This continuous phase is called as matrix, and the discontinuous phase is called reinforcement. Okay, so what is this matrix and reinforcement? We will discuss later. So this is the simple definition of this composite material, that is a man-made multi-phase material. Composite is nothing but a man-made multi-phase material in which one is continuous phase and another is discontinuous phase. This continuous phase is called as matrix, and the discontinuous phase is called as reinforcement. Let us discuss the another definition of this composite material. A material is a material is composed of a mixture. A material is composed of a mixture or combination of two or more macro or micro. Okay, a material is composed of a mixture or combination of two or more micro or macro constituent, micro or macro constituent that differ in form and chemical composition, is known as composites. Okay, so this is the another definition, that is a material is composed of a mixture or combination of two or more micro or macro constituent that differ in form and chemical composition is known as the composites. Okay, so the different constituent is the your matrix and reinforcement. Okay, let us discuss the another definition of this matrix. Okay, let us discuss the third definition. Okay, third definition. So a composite can be defined as a composite can be defined as a combination of two or more material two or more material two or more material in bracket having significantly different physical and chemical property. A different physical and chemical property. Different physical and chemical properties. So each constituent have different physical and chemical properties. So what is this composite? Composite can be defined as a combination of two or more material having significantly different physical or chemical property that that results in better property that results in better properties than those of individual component. So each components having its own physical and chemical property, but when they are mixed, okay, that results into better properties than those of individual component. Okay, uh, the main advantage of these composite materials are their high strength and stiffness. Okay, so why these composite materials are useful? Okay, one more point is that the main advantage the main advantage of composite material are their high strength and stiffness. Okay, and each constituent retain their identities in the composites. So the well-known composite is your concrete, then the bricks. Okay, so we are very much familiar with this composite material, that is concrete is there. Okay, then bricks is there, then wood is also your composite material, then the bone. Okay, bone is also your composite materials. So this is all about the definitions. So a lot of definition is there, so let us discuss